Hello, this is Adrian Crawford. It's Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche, and it's another of my Walkabout Wednesdays. Now, I'd like to say it's backed by popular request. I'm not sure that would be true, but it is a little while since I've done one of these, and part of the reason is it's been so busy here. You know, only 5-6 years ago, we were in one building. We had sales and workshop all together in this same space, and we've doubled this space now. We've trebled the space, and now we're about to build a new building which gives us double again, up to 16,000 square foot. And how we've done that is a complete mystery to us. But the customers keep coming in and we keep doing the jobs, and we seem to have managed to keep a really good reputation. And our secret sauce is that we look after all Porsche from the 1950s all the way through to modern Porsche. So it's any Porsche and any problem. We'll do accident repairs, we'll sell you a Porsche, we'll buy one, we'll service it, we'll do restorations, we're bespoke. It's any problem, any Porsche, you can come here and we're going to treat you with care and with honesty. Now, I thought it's worth just having a quick look at some of the cars that we've got in, and haven't, as you can imagine, haven't pre-planned any of this, so I'm going to dive through the workshop and we're going to see what we've got in there. Stay with me. Well, before we leave for the workshop, quick look around some interesting cars here. We got a 930, a 1986 car, and this car went out and was used in a really important new movie coming out. Great little 84 car I had way back in the 90s. In the late 90s I brought that from Germany, and good fun car. Now this is a rare find nowadays, a 993 Targa, and this car is absolutely gorgeous. It is spotless. The person that had this car really loved it, and it shows. The detail is every bit as good as it could possibly be. Very nice car for someone. And we've got a C2S, albeit I think that one is on its way now. I've got a super nice 73 right-hand drive car. This is better than people would imagine. This is a car that has to be seen to understand what it is we've really got here. It is quite a special car. Beside it is a 67, really nice example, known history, and a spectacular 69 with 20-odd thousand miles on it, less than 30,000 miles, never been restored, never been painted. That's a survivor. That is nearly, oh my goodness me, my maths is letting me down, but that's very old, and it is an absolute beauty. Again, it's another of those cars that you have to see to understand it. Now, let's go and take a look outside. Bear with me. This little Boxster proves you can have fun for next to nothing. We put suspension on it. It's an original 2.5. In fact, the first one Porsche Extra ever sold. We put seats in it. Lovely seats, steering wheel, great set of suspension, some Dimeg wheels, sticky tyres, and Richard's going to use this for a bit of sprint and hill climb. Great fun. Not much cost to that. These are largely cars that are coming in for maintenance. 964 Turbo here's come from Czech Republic. I sold it before, and we'll be reselling that soon. Looks like Ian is already in the van to send back a 964 cab somewhere. Now, we've got a 928 which has been sleeping for a long time. We're quite good at 928s, get a few of those through. here we are in the workshop. We've just been doing, Mark here has put suspension, Fuchs wheels on this C2S. It looks fantastic. We're agents for these Fuchs wheels. Really suits the car. Let's see what else we've got. Got beautiful little 3.2 here that has been restored a long time ago. Oh, look how nice that is underneath. It's got a few little problems because it's never been used in the last 10 years, and so we're recommissioning it. Really cool car. And now we're in the restoration, and we got a lovely 3.3 turbo, an early car coming back together. Gorgeous original colour of oak green metallic. Looks beautiful. We'll show you more about that car in due course. We got a 964 in here. This is going for more like a 964 RS conversion. 964 Targa going backdated, and Paul over there working on the underside of a 71 car. Quick little sneak at a 964 motor that we're building. Billet cam covers help with preventing the oil leakage. So now this engine needs to be built up with its inlet manifold and so on. This particular engine will be supercharged before it goes back in the car. Well, that's my very quick walk around, and as I go around I can see we've got something over 20 members of staff here, and I don't find them lazing around too often. They're all doing something, and we've got such a good spread of skills here, and we've got everything from engine building to metal fab. We're looking after cars for motorsport, and we're looking after people with ordinary road cars for normal maintenance. And I think as long as we keep doing that and doing a good job at it, the future, it looks really good for us. And when we move to our new premises, we'll have even more resources to play with. Now, I'm off on holiday. I'm taking my personal little Porsche for a tour of Europe, hoping to get down to Italy and then back up through the Alps. No doubt I'll do 2,000 or 2,500 miles in that time. Hopefully dear Lisa will enjoy it. I might. And that's what they're for. These cars are great for driving, for the pure pleasure of driving, and we're here to keep you enjoying your car. Call us if you need something, if you've seen something that you really like or you think we can help. You know how to get in touch with us. You can email or phone. I look forward to your business. I look forward to meeting you. This is Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche. We'll see you soon. Thank you.